Today we are taking a closer look at this solar floodlight. I did receive it as a gift, so let me show you what comes in the box, how to install it, and just share my overall thoughts about it. Here's everything that was included. We have our screws for installation, we have user manual, solar light, solar panel, and brackets. Installation is pretty simple. First, you're gonna find a location where you want your solar light, and you're gonna secure the brackets, and then we're gonna put on our solar panel. And what I absolutely love about this specific solar light is that it is split panel, so pretty much the light and the solar panel, they interconnect through this wire, and it is very long. Look how long the wire is. We have a lot of wire to work with, so you can place your solar panel on the roof and solar light inside the shed or anywhere you want, and through the wire it's gonna connect and you're gonna be able to have light without any electricity. I decided to place my solar light on this kids playhouse. It is very old, so I am transforming it into a garden centerpiece with flowers and greenery around it. I really like how bright this light is. It has 3 different modes. We have off to bright, we have dim to bright, and a constant on. I think the solar lights are very nice. I absolutely love it. Totally recommend it.